Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. For this year's Thanksgiving special, I'm going to be microwaving a can of blue cupcake icing. I figure it fits in with the Thanksgiving theme because you eat cakes and pies on Thanksgiving, and hey, microwaving an aerosol can is always really cool. Well, that was just incredibly disappointing. I would say about as disappointing as the Eagle season this year. Can don't look like it even started to melt on top. Yeah, it's squirting icing out like normal. What the hell are these cans made out of? I'm really sorry for this crap episode. It was between this and the can opener. I should have gone with the can opener. Doing this was an incredibly stupid, worthless idea. Sorry for the crappy Thanksgiving special, but I hope you at least have a great Thanksgiving.